Here we have a challenge lock, Ranni's Defense, created by Lan Spy Key. Has some cool engraving on it, some stars and moon. Must be a reference to Ranni's Dark Moon magic from Elden Ring. I have picked it before, but I'll get it in the vise and see if we can get a decent attempt on camera. Alright, we do have a mummified key. Forgot to mention that. Let's go ahead and pick it counterclockwise. It's naturally going that way. So I've also had better luck picking it that way. So let's see. You can feel lots of serration in here, as I expect from a challenge lock. Ooh, dropped into a nice falset there. Let me not knock everything over. Let's check our pins. Oh, dropped into a even more deep falset, and even deeper, not more deep. All right, so in that case, we must be on that fancy piston pin that he made. So let's see if we can get some counter rotation. Yep, and got it set. So there we go. Let's take a look at what's on the inside. I'm going to leave it unlocked because I don't want to undo the key. Where's my little tool? Here we go. We'll grab a shim. Here's one. Okay, the follower. All right, there's some nice undercuts there. Very cool. Let's dump these out. Come on, buddy. Oh, actually, it was this way. Okay, we'll take out from the back first. Standard in the back. Awesome serrated pin in the back. Here's some pin and pin fun stuff here. Wow, that's awesome. Let's get from the front now. Pin 1 is a standard with a wafer on top. Two is our awesome piston pin. And 3, it's a nice spool. Let's see, we do have some threading in some of the chambers in the Bible. Take another look at the plug. And let's get a zoom in on the pins. Let's get the plug over here as well. So here's our piston pin. Very well done. Awesome spools. And we have some pin-in-pin work here. See, that just comes out. Very nice. Awesome key pins and driver pins. And we got some standards here in the last chamber. Very nice work. Take another close up here of the plug. Look at that outstanding work. Very well done. It was a fun pick. Thanks for sharing, Lan Spy Key.